In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access GPT-2 image generation, especially if you notice there's nothing available directly on ChatGPT.com. So if you've been searching for a way to use this model, this tutorial will walk you through the easiest alternative platforms you can use instead. We'll look at options like Higgsfield AI, fal.ai, and OpenArt, and I'll show you the basic steps so you can get started fast. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, it's important to understand that if you go to chatgpt.com and don't see GPT-2 image generation available, that doesn't mean you're stuck. In many cases, the model is being accessed through third-party AI platforms that support different image generation tools. That means instead of looking for it inside ChatGPT itself, you can use a platform that gives you model selection options. One of the easiest examples is OpenArt, so let's start there. Go to openart.ai in your browser. Once the website loads, look for the Image Generation section. On OpenArt, you want to select Image because that tells the platform you're working with visual generation tools instead of text tools. After that, click on Model. This is where you choose the specific AI model you want to use. Now, from the model list, select GPT-2. If the platform supports it, that's the model you'll use for generating your image. After selecting the model, you'll usually see a prompt box where you can type what you want the image to look like. This is where you describe your scene, style, subject, lighting, and any other details you want included. For example, you could type something like, a futuristic city at sunset with glowing neon lights and cinematic detail. The more specific your prompt is, the better your results are usually going to be. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate and wait for the image to be created. If you want to try another platform, the process is very similar on sites like Higgsfield AI or fal.ai. You simply go to the platform, sign in if needed, choose the image tool, select the model if it's available, enter your prompt, and generate your result. So the workflow is basically the same across these tools. Pick the platform, select the image model, write your prompt, and create the image. This is the main reason these platforms are useful. Even if GPT-2 image isn't showing up directly in one place, you can often access similar capabilities through a supported interface elsewhere. That gives you more flexibility and lets you test different platforms to see which one gives you the best output. A few quick tips before you go. Always check the model name carefully before generating, because some platforms may have similar looking options. Also, try rewriting your prompt if the first result isn't what you want. Small changes in wording can make a big difference in the final image. And if a platform asks you to sign in or connect an account, just make sure you're using a trusted service. So to recap, if GPT-2 image generation is not available on chatgpt.com, you can access it through platforms like OpenArt, Higgsfield AI, or fal.ai by selecting the image section, choosing the model, entering your prompt, and generating the result. In the example we covered, OpenArt is one of the simplest ways to do it. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.